This Range Rover has only driven 130,000 kilometers. Now the check engine light is on. The engine is badly damaged. After opening it up, we found it had gone bad. Save this part for me too. The coolant corroded it. Once opened you can see the water damage. Gotta set some money aside for this too. The pistons are covered in sludge. There's also some scoring damage in the cylinder bores. This condition was likely caused by the engine overheating. Our repair plan for this job is to seal the water passages to prevent coolant from eroding the block after overheating. How will it turn out? Stay tuned, everyone. This video documents the entire repair process. The video is a bit long, so sit back and take your time. Here's the result after machining. What score would you give this result? Work begins. Equipment is running smoothly now. The engine is now mounted on the stand, beginning to disassemble the engine. Let me. Work on this by myself for a bit. You mean this one on the left? This spot isn't seated properly. Look at this middle section. It's rusted. This cylinder liner is corroded too. The engine has now been fully disassembled. Next up, we start machining the block. Reinforcing and sealing the engine block's water passages. Using 7075 aerospace-grade aluminum, precision crafting sealed water passages for the cylinder block. Machining the surface. Machining the drain holes. Cylinder block machining complete. What score would you give this result? Using a CNC boring machine. Precisely machining to match the original factory cylinder bore. Boring complete. Measuring and inspecting. All engine components have been fully cleaned. All preparations are complete. Beginning engine reassembly. Engine assembly complete. A job well done. After 10 days. This Range Rover's engine overhaul is complete. Smooth power restored. Racing across mountains and rivers, true to the passion. Everything in sight is beautiful. This engine really performs now. How much longer can this Range Rover keep going? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments.